In this video, we are going to see how we can easily fix this error which says this experience is unavailable because its starting place is unpublished. Publish the starting place to make it available. So we are going to find a solution on how we can fix that in Roblox. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So what we do is just open up the game that is showing that error, and you might see this error here. All you have to do is just click on the three dots next to it. And from here, you select Edit in Studio. It will open up the studio. Make sure you have this configured, or the app should be installed of Roblox Studio, otherwise it will not open. So once it loads up, it will automatically open the game in Roblox Studio. All you have to do after that is click on the file and click on Publish to Roblox. And once you do that, what you can do is on the right hand corner, you have this share public link option. You click on that and you should be able to see and copy the link from here. So you copy the link and paste it on the new tab, and then you should be able to see that the error is gone. You can simply refresh the game if it is already loaded on the browser. So now we can see the play button. You just click on that and it will be loaded in the game client. You click on open the Roblox game client. And once it is loaded, you should be able to play the game without any error. And that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.